Hello, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Domenico's Journey. I apologize, very sorry for the long interruption in my video, but who follow me already knows I say from the beginning that I was to stop at one point to take care of some business in Bali. I had to go to Bali, Indonesia. Now I'm back here in Thailand, in Hua Hin. We would leave in the next few days immediately and we'll start back from where we left in southern Thailand. The rainy season is already here, unfortunately, so I really don't know how long we're gonna be able to travel, but I'm gonna try to travel as much as we can until we can and try to finish completely season one. And then at the end of October, we're gonna start season two. I already talked about that, and season two gonna be in northern Thailand. So it's gonna be some beautiful mountain, beautiful riding around the provinces of northern Thailand. And then we're gonna go to Laos. So we're gonna have the wonderful mountain of Laos, all the way south, crossing into Cambodia and go into Cambodia until we come back here to Thailand. So without further, let's go. This is an add-on on the video, so you're gonna find this in the beginning, and then my real video gonna start. All right, okay, let's go, let's drive, let's have fun and enjoy southern Thailand. I'll see you in my video. Bye. Good morning, internet. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna leave, and we're gonna leave Ranong, and we're gonna go to Khao Lak. I'm gonna show you now on the map. It's not gonna be a long ride or many kilometers, but it's gonna be a very beautiful ride because we're gonna see just some wonderful scene. We're gonna pass through a park, and it should be a good ride actually. The weather it looks pretty okay, so we should be lucky again with very little bit of rain or no rain at all, like always. All right, okay, guys, let's go and let's ride this. I'm gonna show you in the map, like always, where we're gonna go, and then we're gonna leave. All right, okay, so here we're gonna start in Ranong, and we're gonna go immediately on secondary road through this park. Then we're gonna go on the main road, let's say, down for a little while. Then we're gonna take a secondary road again around this park and this mountain. And here we're gonna go around this mountain until we get down in this park, pass through the park, and go all the way to Coconut Beach about that is in Khao Lak. And this is going to be 278 kilometers for an approximate time of 4.5, 5 hours, let's say, depending on how much we're gonna stop during the way and what we're gonna see. So without further, let's go and let's start driving. All right, okay, guys, and we leave. Let's see where we're gonna get today. The weather looks good.
a beautiful mountain. What a difference with the sun. If you guys looking my video in the sun, driving in the sun, if you have watched them, you're gonna see how different it is here from there. Completely flat, the sun is completely flat. Here it's all full, mountain, rivers, waterfalls. Completely different. I'm looking forward to go drive later this year in Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, the Nan province, and Pai, all these places that are just beautiful in the mountains. One of the greatest motorcycle routes in Thailand. But I can tell you that this is just beautiful. I don't know how this is not considered so beautiful. It's all in the mountain, rivers, full of nature. We'll see when we go to Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Pai, all these places, how gonna be different there. Starting from Hua Hin, this has been one of the best routes that I have done. Coming south from Hua Hin, just wonderful, just wonderful. All the way, Hua Hin to Chumpon was just beautiful. Chumpon to Ranong, amazing, and here so far, beautiful. This is rain. But if we go this side, I'm looking, if we go this side of the mountain, we may gonna get out from the rain. And if I look at the GPS, it looks like we are turning like right, going that way. So maybe we're not gonna get rain, because that way it's not raining. Well, it looks that maybe I was right. I saw this. I don't know now if we go this way where we are going. The rain is behind us practically. And we are a little bit too far away still from the ocean. Because I do believe the rain is just like near the mountains, not near the ocean. There was a restaurant we could have eaten, but I really don't want to stop now here because we are too close to the mountain. And if the rain is pushing this way, then we're gonna maybe be caught in the rain. It's 1:45. We can wait a little bit more and try to get more close to Coconut Beach. That is where I want to get, really. Then if the weather is good, depending how is Coconut Beach, we may book a hotel there, or we may gonna proceed and go to Phuket. See how the clouds are forming here on top of the mountain? Very fast they're forming. Because now the rainy season is starting, so morning usually are nice, and then by lunch, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, clouds come in, roll in, they form to thunderstorm. And sometimes in the afternoon it's okay, sometimes it rains all the way to the night. I got to change the battery from my GoPro, but look at this. Look how black is that way and that way. We just escaped the rain, and here in the front where we are going, it looks sunny and it looks okay. I don't know if it's coming this way, but for now we escaped from the rain. And we are 20 minutes about from Coconut Beach. I want to go there so we can eat there somewhere. Should be many restaurants there, places to eat. And depending how it is, we're gonna decide if we're gonna stay there or not. You see that is all black, completely black. It's like wants to rain. And here too. We got 20 minutes, let's see if we can make. and it rains again. This way to Coconut Beach. Let's see. We just need a restaurant now at this point, and we're good. Restaurant where we can stop the bike in the front and we're good to go. Because the rain, it's coming. Even if here in the front is nice and beautiful, I feel the drops of the rain, and I mean, you can see it's just here in the back pushing. I don't know if you really can get here, if you're gonna get, but I don't. I prefer get to a restaurant and sit down and look if he gets or not. What do you guys think? It's better sitting in a restaurant with a nice beer and something to eat and say, all right, okay, let's see. Open? Can park here?